Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to make applesauce, and what you'll need is 4 apples, a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, a quarter cup of sugar, and 3/4 a cup of water. And next we're going to do the first step that we need to do. Alright, and for this step we'll need a cutting board and a sharp knife. And then we're going to cut up the apples, and if you want, you can peel the apples, but you don't have to. And then we're going to cut this down the side in the middle. So it should have 2 halves, kind of like this. And we're going to cut these 2 in half the long way. And it should give you 2 halves, kind of like this. And we're going to do the same on the other side. And then we're going, in like the seed part that's right here, we're going to trim that part out. And then we're going to take the knife, put it like this, and cut it like that. And then it should look like that. And then we're going to do the same with the rest. Okay, there. And then we're going to do the same with the 3 of these apples right here. And then I'll show you what to do next. Alright, and then when the apples are all cut up into quarters like this, you should have 16 of them. And then the next step that we're going to do with these is we are going to cut them up into bite-sized pieces. And then you can kind of do it in a similar way that I'm doing it, if you want. And then you can like stack them like this, and like cut it like down the side too. Alright, and then we're going to do that with the rest of these apple pieces until they are all cut up into bite-sized pieces. Alright, and once you're done cutting up the apples where they are into bite-sized pieces, it should look something like this. And with the being in bite-sized pieces, you don't want it to be like really tiny. But if it's something like this, then it's fine. Alright, and then we're going to combine the apples, the sugar, and the water into a saucepan, and then we're going to put it onto medium heat. Oh, shoots. Okay, there. And then we're going to add the 3/4 a cup of sugar. Oh, I didn't go get it. Shoot. Lost. Oh, there's the cinnamon. Alright, and then we need to add 1/4 a cup of sugar. Okay, then should look something like that, and we're going to put that in. Yeah, it's kind of a little sticky. And then we're going to add a half a teaspoon of the cinnamon. And when it comes to measuring stuff out, you want the stuff to be as flat as possible. right? Then we're going to put that up on medium heat. And then we need a whisk. But if you guys want, you guys can use a spoon too instead of a whisk. So what is supposed to happen? Then we're gonna mush this like this. And we're going to keep on doing this for about 15 to 20 minutes. And when the stuff has been boiling for about 15 to 20 minutes, it should look something like this. And after the apples are done boiling on the stove for about 15 to 20 minutes, you are going to mash them up until you get it to your own liking. And after the applesauce is cooled from the stove top, it should look something like this.